gymsonfacebook.com. I just got back from my workout and now I'm ready to show you how to get leads for your gym in just a simple 5-minute video. In this very simple advertising campaign, I'm going to show you step by step what you need to do. Just copy this formula and it will work. You don't need to be a marketing specialist. You don't need to be an advertising specialist. You just need to follow these simple steps. Be sure to watch this video to the end where I'm going to give you specific tips on how you can double your results from the lessons I've learned making hundreds of ads for gyms. So let's get right into it. For those of you who know a little bit about online marketing, we're going to do what's known as the offer campaign or the free giveaway. We are going to have to create a special offer. The hardest thing to get people to do is anything. It's very easy for someone to sit and do nothing. What we want them to do is to get up, click, and send us their information. So we need something special to get their attention. Luckily for you as a business owner, this doesn't have to be anything so crazy. Most gyms usually have a free one-day trial. If you just make that a one-week trial, that's actually enough to get people's attention. Now you may be wondering, are we going to be giving discounts to people? No. We're going to give them an initial promotion to hook them, but these are going to be good customers that pay full price on their monthly fee. Let's get into the ad. The front end of your campaign is going to be a very simple Facebook and Instagram paid advertisement. So let's take a look at this example here. It's going to start off with "Hey city name." So the reason we do this in terms of marketing advertising psychology, just to give you a little bit of the theory, is you're speaking directly to the customer. You're making them feel special. People are not used to seeing customized advertisements, so it creates relevance. They're paying attention. Boom. In this next part, we're going to sensationalize the offer and tell the customer what we're doing and why. So boom, we go here at name of gym, we're doing something crazy. Now we have to give a justification because humans like things that are congruent. If things don't make sense, they get unbalanced. It's a part of marketing psychology. So we're going to have to give a reason why. Why are we doing something crazy? It can be a simple explanation. We're doing something crazy to promote our gym. You can't just be doing something crazy. In this case, we're doing something crazy for the holiday season to promote our business. Boom. That's good enough. Other aspects here. Every good ad needs a pain point. In this case, the pain point, it doesn't have to be something so deep. The pain point here can just be scarcity, fear of missing out. So as you can see in the banner on the bottom here, I'm going to give a little click. You can see only 25 passes available. On the topic of sales psychology, we can also work with social proof. In this gym's case, on the left here, we used a local magazine, a very well-known magazine. Hey, come see why this famous magazine gave us an award. In the other one, I actually didn't even include that. Sometimes you don't need every little bit of sales psychology. Now that we're done analyzing the ad, I should explain to you that this is not a magical script. We need to test. The beauty of Facebook and Instagram advertising is for no additional cost, we can test multiple texts, multiple images. On my website, on the resources page, I have a couple extra example texts. They're all pretty much variations on this same ad, but I highly recommend that you test at least 2 texts and 4 to 6 different images. That way you're going to get an optimized ad. Let's get into image selection. I'm showing you 3 examples of ads here that I've made in the past, and I'm going to tell you what you should be looking for in the images you choose. Ideally, I would want a woman who is relatable to my target market. That is, a woman who is in good shape, but not like a super sexy model. Really just an inspiration for your potential female clients. Ideally, you would want her to be giving eye contact with the client because on Facebook and Instagram, we click on things with eye contact. A little bonus tip, if you can go on Photoshop and increase the contrast and use warmer colors, that would be even better. The next step is the landing page. So here in this image, I'm showing you a very simple layout that you can use for a landing page. You're going to put your logo here. It's important that there is continuity in the customer experience. If you talk about a 7-day pass in your ad, they need to reach a page that's about the 7-day pass. If you have a great ad getting tons of clicks about a 7-day pass and you bring them to their homepage, people are going to get bored really quickly and just fall off. They want a simple way to get the thing that they're looking for. So try to use repetitive language from the ad, just like they did here. Boom. 1 week free pass. Here's a nice video. If you have a video from your gym, Great. Hey, city name, at your gym, we're doing something amazing to promote our gym. During the next 24 hours, this is trying to get the person to actually sign up and not fall off. Get your one free pass, da 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 da. After the person clicks that button, they're going to submit their email, phone number, and name. The idea is that your receptionist can then follow up with them and schedule a free visit to your gym. They're going to get a thank you page. This part is very important because it's going to amplify your results. Boom, your logo here, confirmation email has been sent. Ideally, this background image should be your gym, not a stock photo, but hey, do whatever you have to do. And here's what we do. Boom, if we can give them an extra gift here and incentivize them to share this on Facebook, we're gonna A, get free reach, and B, we're gonna get social proof, because a lot of us will often speed up our purchasing decision when a friend recommended it. Pretty obvious. We all do this in our daily life. Your friend tells you to buy something, you just buy it. Done. So if they share it, you give them some small gift. In this case, the gym used a protein shake. If you guys give out gym backpacks, those don't cost anything. So just give them that if they want to share it. And if they don't want to, no problem. They can still come to your gym for free. And that's pretty much it. When implemented properly, you can sit back and watch the leads come in. My favorite part of working with Facebook and Instagram ads is my ability to empower local business owners. Seriously, it's amazing that we have access to this open platform and we can compete in the same place where all the multi-million-dollar businesses are. Of course, Facebook and Instagram are great because it has the most advanced targeting and data management strategies of any advertising platform out there, but that really goes beyond the scope of this video. You can test a lot of things, but honestly, a simple targeting campaign where you identify the age range and the geography should really just be fine. Now, I still have those golden tips for you, but I'm going to give you a quick sales pitch. So, if you would prefer to have me and my team take care of this for you, we are actually accepting 5 new clients this year for a special New Year's promotion. If you're interested, just visit my website. All the information's on there, and we will see if you're a good fit for us. We only take 1 gym per zip code, so we will not be promoting your competitors if you reserve us first. When you hire me and my team, we are not only going to use this simple sales funnel, we're going to use other more advanced marketing techniques to make sure that you get results. And of course, if you don't think we're in your budget, you're welcome to come to my website and get all these free materials, because as I said before, I just love helping local business owners really take control of their business. And here's the golden nugget. As I promised you in the beginning of this video, I'm going to give you 2 simple tips to double your results based off of everything I've learned making hundreds of ads for gyms. Number 1, you should focus on women only. I'm not going to get into all the psychology behind this, but I'm going to tell you that from my experience, the data speaks louder than words. Just focus on women and you will get results. Number 2, I explained a lot of sales psychology to you in writing this ad. So we had an ad that included all of the elements, but I have actually found that shorter text, more straight to the point, does a better job. Why is this? Pretty much, you're selling a great product that people want already. They're interested, and in today's day and age, you just need to grab people's attention. So I have an example of a shorter text on my website. Just go to it and I will give you this text completely for free so that you can go out there and grow your business. In my next video, I'm going to explain to you in more detail the New Year's New You advertising campaign, how you can implement this and get the best customers, the New Year's resolution customers. If you like this video, share this with other gym owners, other gym managers. I can't wait to hear about you going out there having success, and I want you to leave me comments, reach out to me, tell me about all the leads you're generating. Until next time, stay strong, gymsonfacebook.com.